In this video, I will show you how to create stake account. So in the year 2025, the online casino and sportsbook is actually on the rise. So I'll show you how to do this. So from in there, make sure to go over it here to stake.com and then click onto the sign up option. Now from in here, just choose your preferred language. I'll choose English right here and then just enter in here your email as well as username that you want, as well as the password that you want to use and also the date of birth. Take note that you can also just use your Facebook, your Google account, your Line, as well as your Twitch. For this one, I'll head over and then use in here my Google account. And once I have done that, it will open here a new window wherein I can just sign in here my account. And once those are signed in, it should be able to be connected together and they will be signed in. Now, once you have signed in, you should be able to see in here what it looks like. We have in here our username as well as our BIP progress as well as the Bitcoin that we have right here into our wallet right now.